Welcome to CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. I'm going to show you a few differences between the commercial and the professional grade tables we carry. These are the Lifetime brand. First of all, most customers, including churches, schools, party rental companies, and businesses, find that the commercial table suits their need just fine. Most of those customers find that the table is used once or twice a week or just briefly every day. Now, customers who purchase the professional grade tables often have need for a table that will be used daily, or even in some cases all day, every day, on assembly lines, for example, or other business applications. We still get a fair amount of churches and schools who purchase the professional grade, and I think it will make sense to you as I explain the differences. So here we go. On the left side here, we have the commercial grade. This is the standard, most popular, designed for commercial use. This on the right is the professional grade, also designed for commercial use, but it's named professional because it does take it up a notch. You can see the differences in the leg styles. The commercial grade has 4 legs with separate hinges, which is fantastic for folding up. It also nests so that you can stack one on top of the other if you're storing them flat like that, or transporting them for that matter. It kind of keeps them from sliding around. The professional grade, you can see it has the more traditional pedestal style legs. The benefit to that is you can seat all the way around both tables very comfortably. Now if you have somebody who's extra tall, has longer legs, and they're seated just right here on the corner, you don't have to worry about them straddling a leg. It's recessed enough. And the way that it's designed, the weight capacity is affected by this as well. The standard weight capacity on the commercial tables on this specific model is 2,000 pounds. That's 2,000 pounds of evenly distributed weight. On the professional grade, it's 2,500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. Another difference is the warranty. The commercial tables have a 10-year warranty. That's pretty much standard for all the Lifetime tables. The professional grade Lifetime tables takes it up a bit, and it has a limited lifetime warranty. So they really are designed to last a lifetime. Now the limited lifetime warranty means that there are some things that would not be covered. For example, if somebody were to set a hot pan on top and melted the plastic, or vandalism, things like that wouldn't be covered under the warranty. Let me show you another difference here between the two. The plastic weight, you can see there's more material in the professional over here versus the commercial. The commercial is fantastic. It's got 16.8 pounds of plastic weight, 18.2 pounds of metal weight. The professional has more plastic and more steel, as you can see here. The tabletop thickness is very similar on both. It's only a few millimeters difference. So the tabletop thickness on the commercial grade is 54 versus 57 on the professional. And another thing to consider when making your decision are the colors. The commercial grade comes in the white granite color, and it also comes in the almond, which is a light, it's a very light beige. This one, the commercial comes in both colors, the white and the almond. The professional grade does not come in white. It comes in almond, and it comes in putty, which is kind of a darker gray. You can also see the differences in the tube diameter for the legs is a little bit wider on the professional as well. So, in conclusion, both tables are absolutely fantastic. Many customers get these commercial. We get plenty of customers that get the professional. Everybody seems to be happy with their choice, but we wanted to explain the differences so you know exactly what those are. If you have any questions, we're happy to answer them. Let us know. Visit us at CompetitiveEdgeProducts.com. If you find this video helpful, we invite you to like this video or subscribe to our channel.